Here we have this 2019 19 plate BMW 520i M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get your superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We have your LED headlights, the black front Kinder Grills, M Sport styling kits, you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. Blacked out styling on this vehicle, so with the black wheels you get your black roof bars with privacy glass on the rear and also your black window trim. We have your dual exit exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, and you have your front and rear parking sensor with visual display. Power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key, which reveals a lovely nice sized boot with your luggage load liner just there and also your net. It's power assisted back down again, as you can see just there. Now coming to the button just here, being the BMW Touring, you do get the split fold tailgate. Very nice feature to have on these BMW Tourings. Stepping back, you can see that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. And there's a look at another alloy wheel, and going into the rear I'll show you bits of the interior. We have your full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, blue stitching. You have your climate in the centre. On the doors you have electric windows, BMW individual trim with ambient lighting underneath, and your integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat, electrically adjustable with the extended 5-sport, and both front seats are also heated. Electric windows on the doors, come BMW individual trim, integrated Harman Kardon, auto lights just down there. Foot on your brake, you have keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, with cruise control and speed limiter just on the left hand side. Now as you can see, this vehicle has done just over 29,770 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your media connectivity via DAB. You also have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. We have your Bluetooth phone connectivity here as well. And you have your Eco Pro driver modes, Comfort, Sports with Sports individual. Pop car into reverse, you have your front and rear parking sensors just there. Now when you do go through different drive modes, the screen on the instrument cluster actually changes, which is a very cool feature to have. The screen up here is also touchscreen from a touch, just like so. Dual zone climate control just down here as well. Your 2 heated front seats working as you'd expect them to. BMW individual trim, pushes open, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, USB and storage. This is what you use to control what happens on your screen. If you're not using the touchscreen function, you got the touchpad just on there as well to zoom in and out. Electric parking brake with auto hold, different drive modes, traction control and parking sensors. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended 5 support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2019 19 plate BMW 520i M Sport Touring. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you expect it to. Now as I get to the straight, you can see I'm not fact we're steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so you're straight into not being off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with over £4,600 worth of optional extras included. And one of these optional extras is the integrated Harman Kardon. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we're setting the car into manual mode, and on the left hand side you can find you do have your cruise control and speed limiter. We have your digital dash just in front of me. When you go through all the different drive modes, it changes the look of the screen. So when you're in comfort, it's normally white, and when you go to sport, it is red, and Eco Pro, it then goes to blue. We have your touchscreen in the centre. We can either use a touchscreen or use the dial just down here. You can find satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, and you also have your front and rear parking sensors. Now, we do have very comfortable leather seats throughout this vehicle. The 2 front seats are electrically adjustable and are both heated. Perfect for those cold winter mornings. with your BMW individual trim with your ambient lighting surrounding the interior of this car. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial estate where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show the brakes work exactly how you'd expect to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard emergency brakes straight into reverse, and no issues whatsoever. You can see on the screen your front and rear parking sensors back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if I've answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around the video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer your questions and also run through some advice of you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Test drive, hope to see you from you soon. Cheers.